Hey boys and girls in video land, it's Bortone, the online video guy, and I want to tell you how to create your YouTube channel art. Probably one of the most confusing and frustrating pieces of the YouTube puzzle, because when you look at the YouTube channel art, there are like 5 different sizes. The size that they suggest initially is 2560 by 1440. Now the problem with that is that's for watching YouTube on TV. If you're watching YouTube on a tablet, it's 1855 by 423. If you're on a desktop or mobile, it's 1546 by 423. So that's the size that you should really focus on, because that's the size that's going to show up on the top of your channel in most cases. So what I do is I go to Canva and I create a 25 by 60, but I make sure that the quote-unquote safe area where the text is 1546 by 423. Now fortunately, Canva has some templates that you can use as a guide. So when I'm making channel art, I typically jump over to Canva at canva.com and start there. So once you're at canva.com, which has a free version by the way, you can see here they've got templates for YouTube channel art. It's what I used, for instance, to create Sharon's channel art, the test art, and Darcy's here. So you can see, even though it's a really big area, only that little space in the middle is what's going to show up on the actual channel. So let's look at that YouTube channel art. And they'll give you a lot of choices, but you want to remember that they're giving you the big overall size, and what's going to actually show up on the banner is just that bit in the middle. So some of these are not quite as helpful. I prefer the artwork that really just has the stuff in the middle, like this one, because you know that this is the safe area, and whatever you put in here is what's going to show up most of the time on your YouTube channel. So maybe you can go to your uploads, maybe you've got a banner or something that fits in that space. Maybe I would do something for, let's just do like a video marketing rules or something. But see, that's going to try and fill the whole space. So what I want to do is I just want to put that in here, and then size it properly and crop it and do all the other stuff that I want to do. So this is a pretty good bet, if I center it, that it's going to show up okay on YouTube. I'm going to get rid of this one in the back here. Get rid of this. It could probably be a little bit bigger, but for the most part, that's going to work, because even though this is the big area that they give you, what's going to show up in the channel is just this. So ultimately, when you save that and then go to upload it on YouTube, this will be the part that will show up in that channel header or banner. So let's take a look at that. So when I come back to my YouTube channel, you'll see this is my test channel, so there's no content, but I've got some very generic art here for the banner. Now if I go up here in the upper right and I click on the little camera, it's going to allow me to upload a photo. You've even got a little thing down here that says how to create channel art. But remember, the big size is 2560 by 1440, if that's not what's going to show up in that banner. You can always click the how to create your channel art if you have any problems, and they'll give you some tips and information on how to do that. However, I'm just going to go back to my channel here, and I'm going to look for the lovely little edit button. Now I'm going to select the image that we did in Canva, uploading, and you can see here how it is going to show up okay on the banner. If you were watching it on TV, obviously you'd get the whole thing with the entire background, and if it's mobile, then you've got just the banner. So that's why you have to have it in that initial size that's really big, because it's going to show up in different sizes, different places. So if I'm happy with that, I'm going to click select. Bada bing, bada boom. There it is. on my YouTube channel. I probably could have gotten away with making it a little bit bigger, but for the purposes of this, that's fine. Again, you go to your little camera icon up here if you don't like it or you want to change it again or add a different one, and just select the artwork or the photo that you have downloaded from Canva. And it's really as simple as that. I'm going to cancel this, leave this here, and that should do it. So Rocco's smelling in the background. Okay, Rocco. So that's pretty much the whole deal on changing the banner. I know the sizes get confusing, so I wanted to make this a quick little video to show you how that works. And you can see there it is. If you want to change it again, you've got your little edit icon up here, the little crayon. You can edit your links, or you can edit your channel art anytime you want. So 2560 by 1440 is the really, really big size, but remember to use the text and logo safe area of 1546 by 423. When in doubt, go to Canva. They have got YouTube specific templates, and concentrate on the middle of the page. Use the templates that they have that just have that information on the middle, because that's what's going to show up on the banner. So templates like this one that has the stuff in the middle, or this one, those are the ones where you're not going to get into trouble. I hope this helps, and if you need anything else, check out my YouTube channel for more information, and we'll catch you next time. Bye for now.